Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here to cut through the noise and get you, well, truly informed. Today, we're tackling something huge: AI's impact on future jobs, how we work, how we live. It's not just some minor trend. We're seeing major sources, think the World Economic Forum, McKinsey, calling this the Great Reallocation.
Yeah.
Basically, a massive, really fast shift in work. It seems bigger, faster, wider than anything before. Okay, let's unpack this.
Right. And what's really revolutionary here, I think, is this idea of churn. It's a core concept. Forget the simple narrative of robots just taking jobs. It's more complex. We're seeing this massive simultaneous creation of new roles alongside the displacement of old ones.
Simultaneous.
Exactly. So the World Economic Forum, for instance, they project about 92 million existing roles being displaced globally by 2030.
Wow, that's a big number.
It is, but here's the other side of the coin. They also project 170 million new jobs being created in that same time frame.
170 million new ones.
Yep. Which gives us a net increase of, 78 million jobs globally. That's significant.
A net positive, then.
A net positive, yes. But what's fascinating here is how different this wave is. Its speed is exponential, And crucially, it's automating cognitive tasks, hitting white-collar roles much harder than previous industrial shifts. That's the real change.
Right. Cognitive tasks. That net positive is good news, but I bet a lot of you listening are still thinking, okay, but my job. Which roles are really feeling the heat right now?
Mm-hmm.
And here's where it gets really interesting. The sources we looked at, they consistently point towards jobs heavy on routine cognitive work. Administrative stuff. So if your day involves a lot of repetitive data handling, sorting digital files, maybe managing basic schedules, you should pay attention.
Mm-hmm.
Think data entry clerks, bank tellers, many administrative assistant functions.
Yeah, the classic examples.
And the tech driving this. Things like RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Basically, software bots mimicking clicks and keystrokes.
Right. And IDP, too.
IDP, yeah, Intelligent Document Processing AI that can actually read and pull info from forms, invoices.
And conversational AI, the really smart chatbots.
Exactly. But it's broadening, isn't it? It's not just those roles anymore.
Mm.
Generative AI is starting to affect knowledge work.
It really is. We're seeing it sort of hollow out the entry-level tasks on traditional career ladders.
Like in law.
Precisely. Things like basic document review, which used to be a junior lawyer's bread and butter, or even in finance, automating some routine analysis.
So the first rung on the ladder might look very different.
Very different. This raises an important question, though. If some jobs are changing or even going away, what's the actual future for people?
Right. Are we all doomed?
No, not at all. The narrative is shifting strongly towards augmentation, not just elimination. Think of it like the centaur model. AI and human intelligence working together.
Centaur. Like the myth.
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah.
AI handles the grunt work, the heavy lifting computationally, enhancing human skills. Think of AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot. Developers use it, it doesn't replace them. It makes them faster, more focused on complex problems.
Okay, I see. Like a tool.
A very powerful tool. Or AI in medicine, helping with diagnostics. It frees up doctors for the crucial stuff, complex cases, patient interaction, empathy.
Things AI can't replicate.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this whole shift creates a powerful new skills imperative. We see demand falling for basic cognitive skills, repetitive manual stuff. But demand is soaring for analytical and critical thinking. That's number one.
Analytical thinking, okay.
Plus creativity, originality, technological literacy, and that means knowing how to use the AI tools effectively.
Not just being scared of them.
Right. And don't underestimate the social and emotional skills. Empathy, teamwork, communication, these become premium.
So more human skills, ironically.
In a way, yes. Ultimately, the real meta skill emerging is lifelong learning, constant adaptation.
So what does this all mean for you listening right now?
Well, despite that net job growth number, which is encouraging, the big challenge, as you said, is the skills mismatch. The new jobs need different muscles, basically.
Different skill sets entirely. And tackling that needs everyone involved.
Yeah.
Companies. They need to seriously invest in reskilling their people, continuously.
Absolutely.
Educational institutions, schools, universities, they have to rethink curricula, focus on these durable human skills, critical thinking, AI literacy.
Yeah, you agreed.
And then for all of us as individuals, it really comes down to embracing change, staying adaptable, and committing to that lifelong learning idea, being proactive.
Precisely. Look, the future of work isn't really about humans versus AI. It's not a battle. It's much more about humans being augmented by AI. empowered by it, made more capable.
A partnership almost.
Exactly. The real challenge, but also the huge opportunity for every single person is mastering this art of learning alongside AI, continuously figuring out how to be effective as the world keeps changing around us. That's the journey we're all on now.